Hello, and welcome to Theatre Bites, essential theatre knowledge in minutes. Today, we're diving into the dramatic and dazzling world of 19th century theatre, where gaslights glowed, moustaches twirled, and theatre became a spectacle for the masses. In the early 1800s, melodrama ruled the stage. These were plays with exaggerated characters, think evil villains, pure-hearted heroines, and brave heroes. Simple moral messages, good wins, evil loses. Music, special effects, and sensational plots. Audiences loved the thrills, fires, sword fights, shipwrecks, and actors delivered their lines with booming voices and sweeping gestures. Thanks to the Industrial Revolution, cities grew, and so did theatres. Going to the theatre became a popular night out, not just for the rich. New technologies like gaslighting, hydraulic stages, and moving scenery made shows more impressive than ever. This era gave us the idea of theatre as mass entertainment. It was accessible, exciting, and a little bit outrageous. But not everyone wanted over-the-top drama. In the mid to late 1800s, a new movement began, Realism. Playwrights like Henrik Ibsen and Anton Chekhov wrote plays about real people with real problems: marriage, money, class, gender. The acting became naturalistic. The sets looked like actual homes, and the audience was meant to think, not just cheer. From melodrama thrills to realism's truths, the 19th century gave us theatrical variety and laid the foundation for the modern theatre experience. It was a century of emotion, invention, and transformation. Thanks for watching Theatre Bites, your shortcut to essential theatre knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover, then leave a comment or suggestion below. I'd love to hear what you would like next. Until then, see you in the next bite.